See how rotten it is?
Very rotten.
These floorboards look alright.
Yeah, and you're just going to nail the plywood into that?
Back to this, yeah. Yeah, and it's going to be a job. It's going to be, you know, it's going to take a while to get all this wood out, but, I mean, it's not hard. It's just going to be a little time consuming. Nails in here on the deck.
All the insulation is off.
Huh?
I said all the insulation has come off too.
Yeah. We'll end up replacing that. Let's see what these nails feel like. Do they come out? Oh, those are screws. That one's a screw. I can just go ahead and climb down in there, I guess.
And just stand, be easier, huh?
Yeah. At least this way I won't have to worry about where I'm going to fall.
Yeah. Too late on the video. Joe fell through.
We're making good progress here inside of the old mobile home. We're taking the floor out, the old subfloor out in the kitchen, and getting ready to put these big thick plywood boards down to replace it so that we can safely walk in here. And we're about halfway done removing the subfloor.